Hello, there was a time I shared a problem or an assignment rather of we try to create a program either in any programming language that would find the roots of a function by using the bisection method. Bisection method, if you're not familiar with bisection method, it's a technique in numerical analysis of finding the roots of a function of a polynomial. Given a polynomial, tunataka maybe you have 2 points a and b, and when the value of f, the function at point a, and the value of function at point b, the answers ziko different, the polarity moja iko negative, moja iko positive, meaning katikati yake kuna the root unaona, kwa sababu hii iko juu ya the x axis, iko chini ya the x axis, so the signs inafaa kuwa negative. So if we take a and b such that that condition is satisfied, then we can keep reducing the size, the bound a and b until we get a point where our function will either evaluate to 0 or b minus a. It will be very, very, very small according to the tolerance striker. There is an algorithm in Wikipedia, the pseudocode. Try to, if you're interested, go through it, see if it makes sense. So if, like in this function, the example they have given, they have chosen a to be 1 and b to be negative, to be 2, and that a is 1, you get negative 2, and when b is 2, you get 4. So the condition is satisfied. So we just get the midpoint, which is 1.5. Find the value of the function at that point, 1.5. If you get negative, change our lower bound, our a, to be the midpoint, to be 1.5. If you get positive, change our upper bound to be the midpoint, and the lower bound to remain. Check the iteration, try to see what they're doing. Then finally, if you get the difference, the function at that point it's what you want, that depending on the error. What error are you interested? Okay, there is the absolute error, there is analysis. Just go through it if you are interested. Let me just explain the code. I've written it in scripting, in shell scripting, so don't worry about. Okay, there